Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to add a shortcut to the Group Policy Editor to Control Panel in Windows. So one thing I will say first is that Group Policy Editor is only available on Windows Professional Edition, but there is a way to add the Group Policy Editor to Windows Home Edition. So we did a video showing how to do that, so I will link that in the description, because if you're on Windows Home, you're going to have to do that first to enable the Group Policy Editor on Windows Home, and then you could come back and do this procedure here to make your shortcut. All right, so we're in Control Panel, so you can see there's no shortcut for the Group Policy Editor. So what we're going to do, we have a couple of registry files here, one to add it to Control Panel and one to remove it if you change your mind. So here's what each one does. Here's the one to add it, and then here's the one to remove it. All right, so to add it, let's just close this off here first. All right, so to begin, we're going to double click the Add Group Policy Editor to Control Panel registry file. Click on Run. Then you're going to say yes to the UAC prompt, so you're going to have to be an administrator to be able to do this. And then this is just telling us that it's going to add the information from this file to the registry, so we'll click on yes to continue. All right, then say OK to confirm here. All right, so let's open Control Panel again. All right, so now you can see we have an entry here for Local Group Policy Editor. Now we open up, we could do whatever we need to do in the Local Group Policy Editor. And then you could also do this too, drag it to your desktop to make a shortcut there. We could open it right from here. All right, now let's say you change your mind, you don't want it there any longer. You could just do the same thing with the Remove Group Policy Editor registry file. Just go through the same process. Let's close and reopen Control Panel here. And now it's gone. And if you still have your shortcut here, it will no longer work since it's a shortcut pointing to the item in Control Panel. So keep that in mind. All right, so I will put a link in the description where you could download these two registry files. And then, like I said, I'll put a link for the video we did on how to enable the local group policy editor for Windows Home. And then you can try it out. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.